It's quite different from being in the private sector. You work with a lot more students, you work with a lot more diverse team than you do. My favorite part is the student supervisors and the student cooks, the promotion of them, the training of them, having them work side by side with the full-timer. That's definitely the joy in my job. My name is Christoph Waldburger and I'm the sous chef at the gallery Snyder Phillips. We're preparing the Spicy Peruvian Chicken Salad. It's one of my favorite dishes we do at the gallery. I like the taste profile and the components on it. You have the spicy chicken, you have the tangy dressing, you got the nice crisp mixed greens. The staff and the students love that salad. It's probably one of our better sellers. For incoming freshmen this fall, I would highly recommend to go fill out an application. This is how you meet friends, this is how you get involved into university to understand better of what's going on and how we do it and why we do it. It's just a great place to work at.